Namaskar, I'm Maina Bhatnagar. I'm an astrologer, author, and a teacher. Astrology is an ocean, and to be an astrologer, you should be ready to jump into that ocean and keep on learning forever. So, I'm going to share here for the students two important points of a natal chart. These are called the bhagas, and bhagas would mean the degrees. They're known as Pushkar Bhag and Mrityu Bhag. Pushkar Bhag and Mrityu Bhag are absolutely opposite to each other. Pushkar means nourishment, Pushkar means nurturing, Pushkar is a life giver, Pushkar is a life saver, and Pushkar is healing. Pushkar ensures that you have success. So, what are these Pushkar degrees? The Pushkar degrees are specific degrees to a specific sign. And wherever those degrees fall in whichever the house is, the sign is falling in whichever house, they bring in luck. This is applicable to the natal as well as to the prashna. So, for example, in Aries, the Pushkar Bhag is of 21 degrees. Now, this 21 degree falls as in Bharni Nakshatra, the third pada. So, which means wherever the 21 degree of Pushkar Bhag is falling, ensures success, ensures healing. So, for example, the Pushkar Bhag is falling in the Lagna. It makes the Lagna very, very powerful. Supposingly, the Pushkar Bhag falls in the 10th house, which means Aries falls in the 10th house. That means the success in the 10th house, the job work is assured. This is also applicable to the Prashna. In Prashna, in fact, it becomes very, very specific because for Prashna, you are asking a specific question. And if your question is related to job and Pushkar Bhag happens to fall in 10th house, you got it. It makes it very easy to read that one can see success easily. So this is Pushkar Bhag. Now all the 12 signs have their specific degrees. Say for example, Aries has 21 degrees, Pisces has 9, Aquarius has 9 again. So it's not easy to, it would take a lot of time. So I'm giving a snapshot for the readers and you can take a snapshot of this and save it as your record to understand and see in every chart do you find this. Now this is not easy to find it everywhere. The reason is Pushkar Bhag is separate from Pushkar Namansha. Pushkar Namansha is of 320, which is a longer span, whereas this is a specific degree. So finding a chart with that specific degree is not easy because more than possibly you will probably only find one sign with that, because if one is 14 it is not necessarily the other is going to be 9 or 15. It's not easy, but still always look out for this because this helps you get a quick short answer and find out where the success is in the chart, where the chart is very strong and powerful. And Pushkar Namansha, Pushkar Bhaga, they part of Jatak Parijatakam. So if you want to read more on that, please read Jatak Parijatakam. The other is Mrityu Bhag. Now Mrityu is opposite of Pushkar, as I said earlier. Mrityu is death. So it may not necessarily mean death unless the query is about death or about severe sickness or something like that. Death also happens to us while living, and that is sometimes we are so embarrassed that we feel, oh God, I could have died, or I wish I was dead, I didn't have to face that. That kind of embarrassment, or sometimes that kind of a failure which we are not able to face living, kind of a disasters where you find that God, death was probably an easier option. So loss of jobs, severe sickness, embarrassment, and a situation where you cannot face the world, you cannot face yourself. That's what is Mrityu Bhag. So Mrityu Bhag is again a specific degree in a specific sign, but in some ways it is very different from Pushkar Bhag, because Pushkar Bhag is only, since there are 12 signs, only 12 specific degrees. So easy to learn, easy to mug up. Astrology is a lot about mugging up. You should have that elephantine memory. Mrityu Bhag has every sign. With every planet there is a specific equation. I'll give you one simple example, that in Aries, Sun at 20 degrees is in Mrityu Bhag. So that should give you an answer, that every planet in every specific sign has a specific Mrityu Bhag degree, and in this the Lagna is also included. So you have 10 points and 12 signs. So the matrix is long. Again, I am going to give you a snapshot of this. You can see this in your video. You can take a snapshot of this and keep a record of this, and whenever you see a chart, look for Mrityu Bhag as well. Just don't look for Pushkar Bhag, also look for Mrityu Bhag, which means every planet in every sign has a specific degree where he will reach at a Mrityu Bhag. And in that sign, if he is at Mrityu Bhag, that dasha, that situation is difficult. So, for example, if Mrityu Bhag falls in Lagna, that spells major problems, specifically health-wise for the Lagna. And if Mrityu Bhag is in a job or any other place, you can read it as well, that there are troubles. Planets in Mrityu Bhag bring problems in their dashas. So to read more, this is part of Hora Parashar. Now what happens, that there are so many kinds of software these days, and it is at times difficult to get the specific degree. How would you ensure that you are on the right program? So look for the Lahari Ayamsha, because there are so many kinds of Ayamshas that different software takes. So if you have a choice in your program, bring it to Lahari Ayamsha and then make a chart to read the right degrees. So this was a small video for you to look for Pushkar and Mrityu Bhag and read your natal chart or the Prashna well. So thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe my video.